Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are soldering on a defroster button on this Jeep Wrangler here, and you can see that the material is still on the glass, so we didn't lose any of the defroster material. There's still some solder there, so this one can be put back on and still utilized. If you're missing that material, or if you've removed that and the frit, usually that denotes replacing the glass. But that being said, if you guys haven't heard of this product, Solder It. I've been using this for a number of years now, and it is an awesome soldering paste. You can use with pretty much any butane torch to melt it. So without further ado, we are going to solder this guy back on. Again, this stuff is awesome. I'm not sponsored by them. They're not paying me. They don't supply me with anything. Just an awesome product if you haven't heard of it. So we are going to push some of this stuff out onto our button here. Like so. Put a lid back on that guy. And just hold this up. Make sure you're wearing some kind of gloves, safety glasses, because this stuff does have a tendency to spatter. So if you're doing it vertically like this, then you can get it to splash on you. So get yourself some safety glasses, gloves, and maybe some sleeves. So here we go. Let that melt and let that cool. And soldered on nice and tight. Go grab a paper towel, wipe this stuff off here while that cools a little bit more. Actually, we'll just grab these paper towels instead of using a new one. Wipe that flux and solder off of there. Give it a flick with your finger, make sure it's nice and tight. Not going to pop off of there. Don't grab it with your needle nose and twist it and snap it off and think it didn't work. Just give it a little brush with your finger, make sure it's on there good. And then you can snap this guy back in place and snap that guy back in place. And just like that, you're all good to go. So once again, Solder It. Awesome stuff. You can find it on Amazon. Aside from that, I have no idea where else. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.